Why? I have a piece of card won't leave me alone, you see? So now I'm gonna try fix that sucker. So I have a lemon here. Let me chop him. And I have some honey. So I'm gonna bring in my cup. Add some honey to the cup. There's somebody tell me it's supposed to work. I tried it for donkey years. It don't work like that. But hey, I'm going to try it again today because I'm tired coughing. So now I'm going to take this lemon squeezer and squeeze all the juice out of the lemon. You don't even get a lot of juice out of it. But hey, let me see if I have any more strength in me. Squeeze nothing. Come on. What are you doing? Squeeze. It's it. Lady, I'm done. Let's get the other half. Put it in here. And squeeze. I have no strength right now, but let's squeeze. Squeeze, baby. Squeeze now. Jesus. Why you awake, sir? Now give this baby a good stir. Stir up the lemon and the honey together. Let it marry up together. Become friends. And I'm going to drink that bad boy. And hopefully it stop this rotted cough and become a tired coughing. All right. So that's it. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Mix it till you see the honey melt up with this stuff. Yes. Look at it. We got a lot of juice out of the lemon. The other day I took the lemon and just cut it and just eat it like that. And somebody said, don't do it like that. So I said, okay. Let me use my honey today. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. Like and share. Please hit follow, subscribe, and leave a comment. Alrighty. Bye-bye. Peace out.